Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is going to be a very exciting video. I'm going to be creating a vision board. I got inspired by doing a vision board by Nikki on YouTube, Nikki and Gabby. So I'm going to create a vision board. I thought what better perfect time to do it than now. We're still in January and I have a lot of goals for myself this year that I would like to complete. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me down a comment down below what you thought, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright, so the very first thing that I did to start making my vision board is I wrote down basically all the goals that I want to complete for 2020, and I got very specific about them. So just an example, so personal development, I really want to work on my interaction with others. You know, I take things personally a lot of the time and I don't really think before I speak. So I really want to work on that. I want to work on having a self-concept of thinking that, you know, I'm inspiring, I'm pretty, you know, like more confidence and stuff like that. Quality time with family. I want to really focus this year on increasing my savings, definitely start a travel account, work on increasing my income by doing side hustles like Uber Eats. Waste less money for sure, because I waste a lot of money on like conveniency, and I waste money on pyramid schemes that I've got sucked into in the past. So I want to be careful this year about that. I also want to focus on giving back. I have a lot of family members that do things for me and they don't have to, and I just want to show that I appreciate it by giving back to them that have given to me. I also want to express my appreciation. So the people around me, the things that they do, I want to express how much I appreciate the things that they're doing for me. For motivation, I definitely want to focus on the journey, not just the destination. Like, yeah, we all want to be YouTube famous, or we want to have a lot of money, but the truth is there's a journey that comes along with that. You don't just get there overnight. You have to fall in love with the journey if you want to get to the destination, and that's very important. Also, to be like more realistic with the time and energy that it's going to take to accomplish these goals. You know, like being realistic that, okay, you know, I want to grow on YouTube, but it might take me a year, 2 years, 3 years for my channel to actually start getting exposed and out there for people to see, and that's all right. You know what I mean? So yeah, physical fitness, one goal of mine is of course to transform my glutes and increase my strength. And another goal is, of course, to lose 20 pounds, but the biggest thing is for me to increase my strength. And then on the next page here, I'm not going to read all of them just because I don't want to bore you guys, but I started on TikTok. It is a goal of mine to become more comfortable on camera and to just grow. For YouTube content, I really want to be consistent and be persistent, and just accept the workload. Like, understand it's, you know, this is what I'm signing up for. Long hours of editing, taking time to come up with ideas for YouTube, and just understand that that's part of the job. For education, I want to learn Spanish. I want to also increase my vocabulary. My mom is really, really smart. She speaks very intelligently, and it's very inspiring for me and motivating for me to speak that way too, because I always try to say stuff and like I can't ever get out what I want to say or how I want to say it. So the ways I can do that is by using a thesaurus, do word of the weeks on Facebook, play words with friends, Scrabble with family. I want to increase my video editing skills, and how I'll do that is of course just practicing and watching other YouTubers give tutorials and just being patient with it. You know, not gonna learn it in an hour. So I also want to work towards my business degree, so I'm gonna sign up for a class this year. That's how I'm gonna do that. And for intellectual / stimulation, I will listen to audiobooks, podcasts, TED Talks, and I also would like to learn how to cook. I know how to cook, but I want to learn how to cook specifically curry dish, which is my husband's favorite dish because he's from Nepal and it is Nepal dish. So basically, yeah, those are my goals, and they're not all of them, they're most of them. I just don't want to bore you guys reading all of them. So now it's time to look up pictures on Google Images, and we're going to print them out, cut them, and start making our vision board. So I've already done some looking up for images, but right now we're currently on waste less money. So we're trying to look up and find an image that is going to best describe that. We're having a little bit of trouble, but we're going to find something. I feel it. Alright, so now it's cutting time, so we're gonna just go ahead and cut these out. Alright guys, so we have this stuff cut it out, and we're getting ready to put it on the vision board, but then I'm starting to realize these are actually pretty flimsy. I only have so many pins, so I can't put like 2 or 3 pins on one picture, or I'm not gonna have enough. So what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna grab index cards. We're going to put them on this board. We're gonna glue the pictures on the index cards, and then we're gonna pin them. So that way they're not flimsy and it looks really nice and clean. All right guys, so I put everything, all the pictures on the board. Putting the index card underneath it didn't actually help too much. It's still sticking up, but oh well. This is pretty much just for me. So it doesn't really matter, but I got patience, and I drew a little clock on there, and then sea vibes, decorated that. It says human interaction, family time, travel. There's a chicken curry, TikTok, a scale, putting 130 because that is my goal weight. Stop wasting money, just as a reminder, build your vocabulary, business. 10,000 subscribers is a goal for me this year. I think it's definitely doable. If I'm putting the effort in and working hard and putting the time in, I don't know why I couldn't do that. I believe in it, so there's a goal for me. This is just a free resource to learn Spanish. There's Final Cut Pro because I want to master it. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. You have to believe in yourself if you want to succeed. And then this is just a savings for 2020. There's a Louis Vuitton bag because I really badly want to buy a designer purse, want to be able to afford it. And then here is this is just showing like strength, because I want to grow strength. TED Talks daily because TED Talks are freaking awesome. And then there's like a little travel account right there. So this is my board. I don't think I missed anything. So yeah guys, here it is. Alright guys, so that is actually the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I did take a lot of time and effort to put in this video, so that way it would be good quality for you guys. And also, of course, I didn't want to like half-ass the vision board. So it took me like 2 days to write down everything and film it all properly. And so yeah, if you could give it a thumbs up, that would mean a lot to me. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of the video, giving me feedback, giving me future video ideas. That would be greatly appreciated. And definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you guys did not notice, on that vision board it does say that my goal is 10K subscribers by the end of the year, and it's definitely doable. So if you're watching this, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Alright guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm not okay. No, baby girl. I'm not okay. This is who I am. This is why I thought I'd be good for YouTube, because this shit is not normal, okay? And nobody likes a basic ass bitch. Nobody. So, if you guys enjoy this, you should hit the subscribe button. Thanks. I really don't know what's wrong with me right now. The fact that I'm gonna upload this is like scary. It's scary, bro. It's scary. You might have nightmares of like my fucked up faces while you're sleeping. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. Bye.